Hello everybody, this is YTL350 here with my first unboxing. I'm so excited. This is the Kingston SD card, 64GB XD and sdxc. It can shoot up to 4K. Okay, that's amazing. That's the best quality that cameras can shoot at. I think there are cameras in 8K, but 4K is the best regular people can buy. Okay, and now here is the processing speed of the SD card. It means how fast it processes the image. It means better performance. Okay, so that's great. Kingston, first time I buy an SD card of them. Okay, and I'll show you how it works on my Canon camera. So let's open it up with one hand. No, it's tough. Come on, open. Not scissors, not anything. My weak hand. That's the only thing. So. And wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for... Finally, I've reached the plastic covering the SD card. That's sweet. Goodbye. And a little switch and twist, call. Finally, Kingston SD. Okay, so now let's take the Kingston card and put it in the Canon EOS 60D. It doesn't shoot 4K, it's a camera from 2 years ago, but it shoots up to full HD. That's great. Okay, 4K is new, it came out a few months ago, and full HD is just enough. So let's see if I can do this with one hand either. SD card slot. No, it's the other way around. And click. Close. Okay, let's open the camera. And okay, and the camera is on. Let's take the cover off, so we would be able to see it. Oh, let's shoot this mirror at the table. Okay, you can see it here. And now on the camera, let's try one shot. First shot with this SD card. Looks great. Ready? And okay, yeah, it is hard to operate the camera with one hand. I'm trying. Okay, let's try to record a video, see how it functions. What's up? What's up? Hello? Bye bye. That's the mode. Okay, set it to another mode and then it would let me to look at the pictures. Great. It's a short video. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, the microphone in this camera is not so good. As you can see, the quality is great. So, I'm on for this card. That's a great card. It looks better on the display of the camera. So, I recommend you trying it. See you next time. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe.